Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Mobax. Today, they are giving us a question under the derivation of f of x raised to power x. Now, but it's also a subtopic under logarithm function. So before I move on, I would like to beg to subscribe, to follow this page, or to like, share the video and like it and comment. So let us move to the question given to us. Solution to the question given to us. Question 1. P equal to x raised to power 2x. You know, in a normal differentiation, you know that it is power. The power will be what? The power will be a number. For example, we have x raised to power 4. This is a normal differentiation. But in the differentiation of f of x raised to power x is what? Y raised to power x or y raised to power value instead of number. So that they give us in this question. Now, how do we solve this kind of question? If you have a power that is what? That is in form of variable, how do we solve it? By applying the what? By multiplying both sides by natural logarithm, which is what? ln, or some people call it ln or natural logarithm or Applian logarithm. Is also used in the same method. Now, the first step, we should multiply both sides by what? Side by natural logarithm. By multiplying natural both sides by natural logarithm, natural logarithm multiplied by p equal to natural logarithm multiplied by x raised to power 2x. Now we can now differentiate. By differentiating natural logarithm p, you know, in differentiation table, if you have this kind of problem like this natural logarithm y or natural logarithm x, you be giving us what? 1 over y. Also equal, this one also equal to what? 1 over x. But here the variable is what? P. You have to what? If you differentiate natural logarithm in differentiation table, if you want to differentiate natural logarithm p, you be giving us what? 1 over p. But if you want to differentiate this one, you have to have something like what? Dp over the x by what? For differentiating this one. Then multiply by what? Dp. If you want to differentiate one, multiply by what? The what variable is inside? X equal to, now you can now differentiate this side now. If you differentiate this side, natural logarithm x raised to power 2n, the power will what? We change to base from the natural from the differentiation table. If you want to differentiate kind of this problem like this, the power will what? We change to base totally without subtracting -1 from it. So the power is what? 2x natural logarithm x. Now we have differentiated. So to obtain the p all over the x, this kind of question, this kind of problem, lead us to what? Product rule. If you take a look like this, it will lead us to what? Product rule. Now, we have to apply the product rule to it. From the formula for product rule, we say that what? U multiplied by v prime plus v multiplied by what? U prime. This is the formula for product rule. Then how do we determine our u? How do we determine our v? Now let us take a look. Like our u to be what? 2x, while our v to be natural logarithm x. See our u equal to 2x, our v equal to what? Natural logarithm x. While our v prime, our u prime, our u prime is what? If we differentiate 2x, we be giving us what? 2. While our v prime, if we differentiate natural logarithm x, we be giving us what? 1 over x. Now let us solve it into this formula bar. What is our u? Our u is what? 2x multiplied by what? What is our v prime? 1 over x plus, what is our v? Natural logarithm x multiplied by what is our u prime? Is 2. Now all equal to what? 2x times 1 giving us 2x divided by x plus natural logarithm x multiplied by 2 be giving us 2 natural logarithm x. But since we have a fraction here that can cancel each other, s cancel s, remain what? 2 plus 2 multiplied by natural logarithm x. So we can now put it here back. Since we apply the product rule here into this place, we can now put this to this place back. Now we call from the question back 1 all over p multiplied by the p all over the x equal to what? Equal to this. But we have applied the what? We have applied the product rule that this we can obtain the what? The p all over the x. Now 2 plus what? What is when you apply the product rule, what do we get? 2 plus 2 multiplied by natural logarithm x. Now to obtain what? The p all over the x only, we have to clear this what? We have to clear this p by multiplying both sides by p. Let us multiply both sides by p. Now 1 all over p multiplied by the p all over the x multiplied by p equal to p open bracket 2 plus 2 multiplied by natural logarithm x close bracket. Now p cancel p, remain what? The p divided by the x equal to what? P open bracket 2 plus 2 multiplied by natural logarithm x close bracket. Now we have obtained the what? The p all over the x, but we cannot leave our answer like this since we still have a variable of p. But don't forget, in the question back, our p equal to what? X raised power 2n. Then we have to substitute our p to it back because we cannot leave our answer like this. Now the p all over the x equal to what? What is our p equal to in the question? X raised power 2x open bracket substitute into this back 2 plus multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by natural logarithm x close bracket. This is our final answer for question 1. Question 2. Y equal to what? 3x raised power 4x plus 1. So as you do the first question, we still apply the same method. Now multiply both sides by natural logarithm, which is what? Natural logarithm multiplied by y equal to natural logarithm multiplied by 3x raised power 4x plus 1. Now if we differentiate natural logarithm, y will be giving us what? From differentiation will be giving us what? 1 all over y multiplied by what? If we want to differentiate this, we have to obtain the what? The y all over the x. If we want to differentiate, we have to what? We have to write the y all over the x by the what? By differentiating it equal to what? The power we change to base totally without subtracting 1 from it. What is our power? 4x plus 1 multiplied by what? Natural logarithm 3x. Now in this problem, it also leads us to what? The product rule. You have to apply the product rule to it, which the formula says that what? U multiplied by what? U multiplied by v prime plus v multiplied by what? U prime. You have to differentiate this by using the what? Product rule. Let me clean this place. Now, by differentiating our u, let me determine our u to be equal to what? 4 from this place to this place, our u, 5 from this place to this place, our v. Then our u equal to what? 4x plus 1, because the product there is this is the behind the product, this is the product behind them. While our v equal to what? Natural logarithm 3x. Now our u prime is what? If we differentiate 1 is 0, constant is 0. If we differentiate 4x, we give us what? 4. While our v prime is what? If we differentiate natural logarithm 3x, will be equal to what? 1 over x. Now we can now substitute into the formula, which is what? Our u is what? 4x plus 1 multiplied by what? Our v is what? 1 multiplied by 1 over x plus What is our v? Our v prime is 1 over x y plus v. Our v is what? Natural logarithm 3x multiplied by what? Our u prime. Our u prime is what? 4. All equal to what? 4x plus 1 multiplied by 1 will give us what? 4x plus 1 all divided by x plus natural logarithm 3x multiplied by 4 will give us what? 4 natural logarithm 3x. Now, but in this place, I can separate the fraction. That is, I can also clear this one. I can also clear this x by separating the fraction. 4x divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm 3x. Now, x cancel x remain what? 4 plus 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm 3x. So these are what? These are final answer by applying it to by using what? Product rule. Now, so we have to what? From the question back, we got from the question 1 over y multiplied by what? Dy over dx equal to what? What is equal to this? When you differentiate, when you use product rule is what? 4 plus 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm 3x. Now we have obtained the what? The value for what? Dy over dx, but we have to clear this by multiplying both sides by what? Multiply both sides by y. Now y divided 1 over y multiplied by dy over dx multiplied by y equal to y open bracket 4 plus 1 over x plus 4 natural logarithm 3x close bracket. Now y cancel y remain what? Dy over dx equal to y open bracket 4 plus 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm 3x close bracket. But we cannot leave our answer like this, which works. We cannot leave y like this. But y equal to what? X 3x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 4x plus 1. By substituting into it, dy over dx now equal to what? What is our y equal to? 3x raised to power 4x plus 1 close bracket. Open bracket this 4 plus 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm 3x close bracket. This is our final answer. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it. See you on my next content.